Hey guys, what's up? Master Duel here. I got a duel for you, and yeah. So I'm using Wind Up Beast again. Last time I tried it, I failed epically. It was horrible. This isn't a bad hand. I can go first turn Tour Guide, Special Zen Mighty. Don't say too much, or else I'll draw a heavy storm. I'm watching you. I'm gonna go to Zen Mighty and a set card. So I still don't know what he's running. When I go first turn Tour Guide, special the Rabbit for my deck. I'll blind MSD. Hopefully I can get a Solemn. Zero Force, pretty good. We'll normal summon this. Effects. I still get the effects off though. Because of the new ruling, it's really weird. I'm having. If you guys check out 3Z Infernals, what's one call it? Okay, yeah, sure. Hello? Is it lagging? Okay. Same here. And I will grab myself and effect failure? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm playing Inzektors here, very interesting. So good thing I grabbed that Veiler. And now it end. I'm not sure which Sandgad's effect goes off, so I just did it at the same time. Like, I'm not sure which one goes first. So I did it at the same time. Hopefully this duel won't go as bad as the last duel. I mean, last duel I played was before the ruling. I haven't played a duel since because I've been kind of busy. My friend is moving, so I've been busy with him, you know, trying to get in all the friend time he can get. But yeah, he's moving. He's moving in 2 days, but I won't be able to see him in the next 2 days. So by the time I upload this, he would have already moved. But then he's moving in 2 days. We won't be able to see him in the next 2 days, and not bad. So I know I asked to inject a Hornet face down, but that doesn't matter. Okay, hopefully he doesn't have like anything in his upper sleeve, solid. And I end. And yeah. Dark Hole, very interesting. On a Thunder King, he wants to get rid of it kind of badly, that means. So, which means, I think he has a search card up his hand. There we go, the search card. So he's gonna, if he uses Hornet, he's gonna have to target his face down right there. Which is kind of bad, but I'll let it fly. Actually, no, I won't. Chain to the summit. Yeah, he didn't give me enough time to get at it. He was like, you know, I was still considering, I said, I'll let it fly, but whatever. So, yeah, so I guess I went through. Actually, yeah, I'm just making up excuses for myself. I had no idea what I just did. Hopefully I can try to force out a Solemn. There we go. That's what I was looking for, right there. Now meet your doom. Meet your doom. And I will win. I was, you know, whenever I have a BLS, I'm always really scared of Solemns. Because this card could win games alone, and I don't want it to be, like, hurt. So, that's what I try to do, Solemns. Very important. Hopefully he didn't draw any Inzektors. If not, it's my win. And oh boy. That's not cool. Sure thing. Now he has a BLS, which sucks. Okay. This might be kind of troublesome. Wow, okay, that's game right there. I mean, I can't use Avarice. I can set this. Hopefully, we'll take it as a bluff. Maybe he'll waste the MST, Heavy Storm, whatever on it. Hopefully, I hope he doesn't have a monster in his hand. Oh boy. Admit, offer a rematch. Come on, I must be Inzektors. Wind up beef versus Inzektors. I can win this. So, as you guys can tell, this duel isn't going so too good anyways already. So I'm gonna side out all of these beast cards like I did last time. If you didn't watch the last video, please check it out. It's really interesting. I suck so much. And then should I put in Scapegoat? I mean, I'm gonna keep the Veilers. Actually, I'm gonna throw in one more. Okay, Windups versus Inzektors. It's a very interesting combination. Hopefully I won't lose again. Okay, very good hand. I'm liking this. So normal summon. Effect of Shark. Reveal the Shark. Special summon. Magician changes to his Shark's effect when he special summons him. That means I get a Hunter. Special summons in defense. Don't forget that, guys. All the Wind of Red and Wind of Magician is special summon in defense. Hunter effect goes off and sends this card to the grave. Hopefully, maybe he'll rage quit after this. Chain. Actually, it doesn't matter. Shark to level 3. I always overlay in defense in case he has something really good up his sleeve. He's like he top decks a BLS. I guess I'll thin my deck first. That way I won't draw those Wind of Rats when I don't want them. I can always keep them in hand. Wind up Hunter Loop is fascinating. I hate it when people use it against me because it's just that bad. Actually, I wonder why he didn't chain the Veiler to Magician Summon. I would have basically screwed me over. Or Shark, that would have worked too. The good thing about the new ruling is, like, Veiler is a lot better, or worse, I guess. Wind Up Rabbit's kind of do. Wind Up Rabbit is kind of screwed. Sorry, I meant to switch one attack. That wasn't my fault. Anyone with common sense would special summon in attack. As long as you read the effects. If you don't read the effect, you're stupid and just like build a deck because you're net decking. So apparently I must have got a good card. And let's see what I would have gotten. Another Fiendish. So yeah, I won with Wind Up Beast. So now I am 3-2 with this deck. And yeah, that's Wind Up Beast versus Inzektors. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.